You want to shoot your own videos type shit, low key, low budget. You see what I'm saying? Hey, this VA, them people will lock you up. The Ali MGF video out here. So we're gonna try to, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to get some shots in out here, do some things. We're gonna be putting it together. Huntington Park, about to shoot this video. Cannons to the left of them. Cannons to the right of them. On my Jeffrey shit. Double checking. You always want to double check to make sure you're not forgetting nothing, bro. You're not leaving nothing. If you get all the way back to wherever, something's missing. You definitely don't want nothing missing, man. You know what I mean? That's just tough. That's terrible. That's something that nobody wants to go through. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that one. I'm about to go put the equipment in the car. You know what I mean? We got some people out here in the park, you know what I'm saying? A man out here with his phone and shit. You know? It's cool though, man, you know what I mean? It's pretty cool to be able to do something like this. It feels good to me to be able to do something like this, you know what I'm saying? Doing what you love, man. Something that's yours. It's not you going to make somebody else's buck, but you actually building something that's gonna be you, something that's like that's your baby, you know what I'm saying? Like that's your baby. You gotta nourish it, you gotta grow it, you gotta do all, feel me? You gotta do all the necessaries, you know what I'm saying? All the necessary efforts that it's gonna take for it to flourish. You can't just leave it sitting there and expect for it to bubble into what you want it to be. It feels good. I did that when I was hustling, when I was running the street, wilding out, doing what I do, you know what I'm saying? My Rona readiness. But when I was hustling, running the street, wilding out, doing what I was doing, you know what I'm saying? Not giving a fuck. I was 100% all in, doing me, nursing my baby. I was nursing my baby, you know what I mean? I was really nursing my baby. I was gigging and shit. But when that shit catch up to you, I end up going to prison. When that shit catch up to you, you see what you get, bro. As long as you ain't dead, you still got an opportunity. Be water. And drink water. And drink water. They might think it's alcohol, but it's water. As crazy as I got the workout gloves on, looking like a whole homeless nigga too. You feel me? Looking rough out here, bro. I'm looking real rough. This is a real rugged video too, you know what I'm saying? Like this rough. I ain't even shaving that. Video like an oxymoron. See, I'm young, I'm handsome, I'm fast, I'm pretty. I'm moving slow. I should have been boxing on it. That's what I should have been doing. Boxing. That would have been smart. Ali. Damn. I'm not even gonna lie, I did think about that multiple times. And I got a nigga that I know that box. Went to school with my nigga Jeremiah Wiggins. He boxed. I don't know if he still boxes right now, but I do know that he's training. If you want to get into boxing, I'll put his link. I'll leave his link down in the description so that you can get in touch with Wiggins. Boxing is good, man. Boxing is very good. I know how to box a little bit. Oh my God, it's cold. All right, let's go get this B-roll. All right, fun fact. January is not the time to be out at night. Not the time to be out trying to shoot no videos and shit. It's cold. I ain't gonna act like it ain't. Like, it's a little nip. You know what I mean? You know, I'm a little nip. Feet nip, hands nip. You know, it's a nippy situation. You know what I'm saying? But we getting things done. We got some bikers over here. That's pretty cool, you know? It's a nice place to ride a bike through, you feel me? Real cool, you see what I'm saying? So, get her done, I got this thing that I do with the camera where I kind of give you like the feeling of vertigo. I just figured out how to do it on the camera that I have right now, so that's gonna be in a lot of my B-roll. I'm gonna be doing that type of shot, that type of look. So I'm about to just go around, try to get this B-roll in real quick before it gets too dark. As you can see, the street lights came on, so And this is a public park, so a state park. And so that means I can't be out here for too long. And then, you know what I'm saying? Sun go down, lights go out, and then come back on. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more of this B-roll popping and shoot this thing up. Peace out. You definitely want to try to get in as many shots. I mean, a lot of shots, B-roll and stuff. Getting in as much B-roll as you can with the light. I could have stayed out later because I do have a light that I could have mounted to my camera. I didn't want to stay out too late. You don't have to be out all late. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you do enjoy. I hope you learn something from it. You can use it if you want to shoot your own video, you know what I mean? Hey, I just thought about something too. Getting the Lucky Charms out of box. Walmart. I'm about to shoot a little bit of that. At least a box of Lucky Charms, you know what I'm saying? To put that clip in the video. All night distributing, focus on my vision and young nigga getting ends. I'm trying to be a businessman. These streets will eat you alive. That's why I keep my third eye around the corner. Police and them niggas run up on you. So I guess I shoot my shot, you know what I'm saying? Look, young niggas, man. At the Lucky Charms. At the Lucky Charms. They got all the types of Lucky Charms, bro. And the fake charms. They don't got the bag Lucky Charms. Oh, they do got the bag Lucky Charms. Here we go. Here we go. So you know I'm gonna use that. Yes. Lucky Charms. Got him. Alright, ignorant KUV, right? Alright, instead of getting these ice creams and these muffins, you feel me? Ice creams and muffins. I should get some cereal too, bro. I'm gonna get a shopping cart. Yeah, I'm gonna get a shopping cart. It's a carty type situation, bro. Creature of habit, bro. Butter pecan all the time. All day, every day. Butter pecan, baby. Bang. And we out shit. Letting you see that there's a difference in me. But then once you see the difference in life, you can realize in yourself the difference can be. It'll be the same thing, it'll be true. It'll be the way you want it to. It'll be life living. It seems like when you got a camera, don't nobody really want to stop it. I did just leave y'all over here like that. You know what I'm saying? When he made your so disrespectful. Creation is just, it's up to you. Test your will, test your skill. Make enjoy your lot, no man. Live or die. It's your will. It's up to you. Do what the fuck you want to do. And if you don't got nothing left in, my nigga, I don't know what to tell you. But I'm gonna tell you this thing right here one time clear. This nigga is right here in your ear. His spirit is nice. His spirit is right. His spirit is tight. He's giving you light. He's giving you life. Hoping you taking it and apply it to your life. I know it's disrespectful as hell. Apply this wisdom I'm giving. So y'all niggas, but I'm going home. Pay attention, boy. This shit is not written off the top of the dome with more flows.